Hello, Jeremy here from 3D Infotech, and I have another quick tip for you in this video. In this project, I have a left-hand door and a right-hand door, and they are both installed on my vehicle. My customer has 4 circles we want to track, and we want to track the coordinates of these 4 circles. The one detail about this project that may make it confusing is the fact that I'm working in a vehicle coordinate system. And my customer wants to know if these features are inboard or outboard. Let's look at one side as an example. If I look at my right-hand circle, we can see that the measured circle physically is more inboard compared to the CAD. And based on my coordinate system, it makes sense why that y deviation is negative. If I look at the left-hand door, this circle is also inboard. But again, based on the coordinate system, that deviation is positive. So for both examples, they're both inboard, but one's showing a positive and the other showing a negative deviation. This can be confusing to the customer. To help reduce the confusion, I can display direction flags that show whether it's an inboard or outboard feature, a forward or aft, or up or down. To turn those direction flags on, I can navigate to Tools, Options. If I'm using PolyWorks 2024 or newer, I can navigate to File, Options. And within your Options window, I can expand Display, expand Annotations, and click on Formatting. And within the Formatting section, there is a checkbox called Deviation Direction Flags. When I check that on and apply it, you'll see next to all those deviations, I have little symbols representing whether the feature is forward or aft, inboard or outboard, or up or down. If I want to change these abbreviations, within my Options window, I can expand Objects and click on Deviation Direction Flags. And I can modify those abbreviations to be in, out, forward, aft, or up and down. Okay. Now, even though I have these flags that show inboard or outboard, there still is that little confusion of that negative sign and the lack of a negative sign. If I want to show all the inboard deviations as negative, I could expand my objects, click on Controls, and there's a section dedicated to XYZ coordinates. And in my case, since inboard and outboard is defined by the Y direction, I'll check on Y, press Apply, and you'll now see both inboard situations have a negative deviation. So those are some nice little tricks to help show direction flags, whether a part is inboard, outboard, forward, aft, or up and down. Thank you for watching.